Hey everyone, blackheads and whiteheads on your nose ruining your glow. Here's a gentle peel-off mask you can make at home to clear pores and smoothen skin. No harsh ingredients. 1 tablespoon charcoal peel-off mask. Ready-made base. Detoxify pores and gives the peel-off effect to pull out dirt and whiteheads. Half tablespoon honey. Smooths the skin, kills bacteria and prevents clogged pores. Half tablespoon aloe vera gel cools the skin, reduces redness and hydrates deeply. Mix all ingredients until smooth and well blend. Apply a thick, even layer on your nose using your clean fingers. Let it dry fully around 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's dry, peel off slowly from the edges. You will see blackheads and whiteheads comes right out. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Apply a light moisturizer or rose water. Use this mask once or twice a week for a clear, smooth nose. Follow for more real and effective DIY skincare hacks. Thanks for watching.